Okay, so we did a lot of damage the other day. It was pretty much all sheet iron, and we got one nice load of ACRs out of here, but we got little piles of sealed units. Some of them are tucked away and buried, kind of all over the place, plus the one big pile. So we're going to see if we can get all of the sealed units in the yard out of the yard, try and get them all loaded up so I can get them in tomorrow morning. Alrighty. Didn't get everything finished, but it's pretty dark. It was getting hard to see these compressors, especially considering the fact that they're all black. But we got the bulk done. Might be a little hard to see in the dark here, but that whole pile is now in that trailer. And it's so dark you can't even see it, but rest assured, they're in there. And in the morning, I am intending to start moving these piles to get to the piled up compressors underneath them and hopefully get everything out in the morning. Okay, so the sun went down on me last night. Wasn't able to finish off all the sealed units, but we're going to get the rest of them now and basically be completely out of sealed units in the yard until I break down some more air conditioners. follow-up on how much that whacker saved me on these sealed units. That was about 5 loads worth in my regular trailer with the ramp, hand loading and hand unloading. And I did them all in one load. Probably about 2 hours total with loading, unloading, and driving all together. So that saved me, because it took me only 2 hours total to load, get to the dump, and get back. So that saved me 8 hours. That saved me an entire day. Or a normal person's day anyways. So that's just really fantastic, and one more illustration of why I was so excited to get this machine. It's going to make work more efficient, and it's going to make my life so much easier. It's hard to even put into words.